Good morning, teacher. Good morning, classmates. Hi, I am Kaylee Marion O. Calledo. I am 6 years old. I live in Balubal, Cagayan de Oro City. I'm studying at King of Zion School. I was born on August 29, 2017. I was born in Imitaw, Misamis Oriental. My mother is Maria Rosaline O. Calledo. She is a teacher. My father is Kevin Noel A. Calledo. He is also a teacher. I'm the only child of my parents. When I grow up, I want to become a teacher. I would be a responsible teacher. I would teach them sensibly. I would teach them how to read, write, count, and to solve problems in math. I would teach them how to become kind and good. I want to be a good example to my pupils. Class, are you ready for our new lesson? Let's count first 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job, class. Now let's count how many balloons. 1, 2. Great job, class. How about these flowers? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job, class. Let's count how many balls are there in the first box. 1, 2. Good job. Now the second box. 1. Good job. Let's count all the balls together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How many balls again? 3. Good job. As you can see, we combine all the objects or numbers. This is called addition. See you tomorrow, class. Goodbye!